Configuring WorldPay login is a straightforward process that allows you to securely manage your online transactions. To get started, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your client ID and API key. These credentials are essential for authenticating your login requests. First, go to the WorldPay website and sign up for an account. Fill in the required information, including your business details and contact information. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive an email with a verification link. Click on the link to activate your account. Next, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the developer dashboard. Here, you will find your client ID and API key. The client ID is a unique identifier that represents your business, while the API key is used to authenticate your login requests. Make sure to keep these credentials secure and do not share them with anyone. Now, you need to configure your WorldPay login settings. This involves setting up the login URL, which is the endpoint that handles login requests. The login URL typically includes your client ID and API key as query parameters. For example, the login URL might look like this: https://www.worldpay.com login cliented your client ID API key. Your API key. To authenticate your login requests, you need to use the correct authentication method. WorldPay supports several authentication methods, including Basic Auth and OAuth. Basic Auth involves sending your client ID and API key in the authorization header of your login request, while OAuth involves obtaining an access token that is used to authenticate your requests. Best practices for configuring WorldPay login include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to encrypt your login requests. You should also use a secure method to store your client ID and API key, such as an environment variable or a secure key store. Additionally, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly, and provide a clear and concise error message to your users in case of an authentication failure. In conclusion, configuring WorldPay login is a simple process that requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely manage your online transactions and provide a seamless user experience for your customers.